Hi, we are Victoria and Azul, and we're going to be presenting Taylor polynomials.
What are Taylor polynomials? Basically, if we want to approximate a differentiable function f of x around a point C, we will use the general formula for Taylor polynomials, which is
F of a plus f prime of a over 1 factorial times x minus a to the first power plus the second derivative of a over 2 factorial times x minus a squared plus, and we can continue to infinity, so we say the nth derivative of a over n factorial times x minus a to the nth power.
So let's see an example. If we have to find the third degree Taylor polynomial for f of x equals natural logarithm of 2x squared about x equals 1, then we have our f of x, which is natural logarithm of 2x squared, and we will have to find the first, second, and third derivatives because we are trying to look for the third degree Taylor polynomial. So the first derivative of this, we would have to get the derivative for the natural logarithm of x with respect to the inside function, which is 2x squared, so that would be 1 over 2x squared. And we multiply that by the derivative of the inside function, which is 4x, which altogether would be 4x over 2x squared, which is the same as 2 over x. And now we're going to keep differentiating to find the second derivative. So this would be the derivative of 2x to the power minus 1, which is 2 over x. And the derivative of this would be minus 2x to the power of minus 2. And now we will have to find the derivative of this function to get the third derivative, and that would be 4x to the power of minus 3. So now we are going to plug in our x value for each of these equations. So that would give us f of 1 would be natural logarithm of 2 times 1 squared, which equals natural logarithm of 2. Then the first derivative with respect to 1 would be 2 over 1, which equals 2. Then we have the second derivative, which would be minus 2 over over 1 squared, which would be minus 2. And then we have the third derivative with respect to 1, which would be 4 over 1 to the power of 3, which would be 4. So basically, now that we have all of the values, we just have to plug them into the general formula.
Okay, to plug it into the formula, we just have to replace the values in the formula. So for f of 1, we have the natural logarithm of 2 plus 2 over 1 factorial times x minus 1 to the power of 1 plus the second derivative of 1, which is negative 2 over 2 factorial times x minus 1 squared plus the third derivative of 1, which is 4 over 3 factorial times x minus 1 cubed. Then we have to simplify this formula, and we will get the natural logarithm of 2 plus 2 times x minus 1 minus x minus 1 squared plus 2/3 times x minus 1 cubed, and that's it. That's how we solve a Taylor polynomial.
Thank you.